Hey guys, what is up? So in today's video, I'll talk about Banner 138, which is a connection error or running the game via virtual machine. But since they introduced the Vanguard, you cannot play League or Valorant on a virtual machine. You need a regular instance of Windows to play the game. If you're running a virtual machine, you won't be able to play any of Riot games because Vanguard is designed to detect and block virtualized environment for security reasons, and it thinks it's a cheating software. So you get like random van errors 9100, etc. because it's a kernel level driver. It requires a deep system access, making virtual machines inherently incompatible with its anti-cheat mechanism. So yeah, you cannot play League or Valorant on a virtual machine anymore. That's it for this video. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.